So for this challenge, I chose to do SurveyMonkey. I have never used this site or any type of polling or survey site, but I really liked the simplicity of it all and how you can actually see individuals' responses and all the feedback. So I had 5 questions and about child development with the multiple choice. And to analyze the results, you can see through a data perspective and a graph of what people chose. So you can see the 2 people that I sent this to, they responded, they both answered to number 3, and it's actually right, but they don't see that. So you can see the individual's responses throughout the whole thing. And then when you go up here, you can actually see who exactly by their email answered what.